Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven sensor in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the oven sensor wire connector. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the mounting screws securing the sensor to the rear panel, and pull the old sensor out. Install the new oven sensor by inserting it through the rear panel, then thread the mounting screw to hold it in place. Connect the wire connector. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.